Hi everyone. So this video is just kind of like a vlog. I was having a really bad mental health crisis and I really had to get out of the house and get some walking done. It's not very exciting, but I just kind of wanted to document it because I'm trying to kind of document these types of episodes as much as possible. But at any rate, the park is really beautiful, so I hope you at least enjoy the footage, and thank you for letting me vent out. Okay, I'm taking a walk to deal with my depression. I think it'll help. I'm at the arboretum. It's so pretty here. If it wasn't so close to closing, I'd walk all the way around there and go down this, but they're closing soon. It's simple. It's not like a playground with playground equipment. It's a park, nature park. You walk around, you take in the nature, whatever. It's supposed to be good for your psyche. I might run to the grocery store and get some supplies to make some egg Sophies. You got an egg Sophia's? Here, we're gonna go back around this way. Egg Sophies are, you mix egg. It's like, your basic one is for like a pan of them. So like 12 or 9. I don't remember which, but it's 4 eggs plus 2 egg yolks. So 6 eggs, but 2 without the white. Biscuit mix, salt, pepper, cheese. So, egg Sophies. I see a lot of trails, so maybe I'll come out here tomorrow and walk the whole thing. I didn't get an early enough start today. Oh, let me take a picture over here. It's so pretty. Hopefully there are no alligators that are going to try to eat me. There's a walkway over there. Let me see. Can you see it right there? This whole park goes around this pond, and then there's other trails within. A lot more footage and walk around. I know this isn't exciting for everybody, but I'm having a little mental health break, which I don't like using that term, but that's what I'm doing right now. Needed it. I'm on the edge of something. I don't know what, and I don't know where it's coming from. That's the worst kind of like depression, is you don't know where it's coming from. Like, why? Because if you know where it's coming from, you could probably find a way to solve the problem or whatever. I just don't know where it's coming from. Sorry, that video ended kind of abruptly, so I just wanted to throw in a goodbye right here. Because it just didn't seem right to not say goodbye to y'all. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to all of you later. Bye.